how to make a how-to video. Where you're going to learn how to make a how-to video like this one. All the steps. I'm starting. Hello, and before we begin, there's 3 sections in this tutorial. We got brainstorming, recording, and editing. Most of this tutorial will be in the editing stage, but let's start with brainstorming. The first step in brainstorming is to choose ideas. Here are 3 ideas I've chosen. Paper airplane, pizza, and this other one. For this tutorial purposes, we will be showcasing the paper airplane using this paper. Now, before we start with making the airplane, we got to get a camera. And if you're working alone, like me, you need a tripod. So, find those things and we can start. After you've pressed record with your camera, you can toss it away, because now you will film your thing with your camera. Now the first thing to filming a how-to tutorial is to make your steps as simple as possible. For paper airplane, first step is to take this and grease it along the line, hot dog style. You can also show it again, just for confidence. And you can just do it again for the other steps. So for example, do this like before. The next step is to take this and fold it inward to this spot. If you don't know terminology, you can still use hand signals, but at least know what it is if you're gonna make a how-to too. Yeah. But anyways, after this step where you do fold the outer cores inward, you fold it half. Actually, you fold it again inwards. And like always, repeat any steps if you think it might be too hard. Now you fold it in half again. And for the final step, you take half, take this, make sure it aligns with this. You can also do it on the other side. Voila! Paper airplane, or whatever you want your tutorial to be. Next, now that you have all your footage, you open it, and over here, you see that little thing right there. You open it, and there's the flash drive in there. All you have to do is press down, open up, and grab the flash drive. It's as simple as that, really. And now, I will show you the editing section. For the purposes of this tutorial, we are using iMovie and not any other editing software. So, if you want to follow this tutorial, you must use iMovie. Now that you have your drive, you must get a flash drive. And now when you have your flash drive, you'll take the blank side, take this side, and you'll plug it in, like that. So now, when you have your flash drive, you want to plug it in one of these things right here. It might be a little hard, but eventually you'll get it in. Now that it's plugged in iMovie, you go to this little thing right there. I can zoom in to show you, but it's the little white arrow next to projects and music. Now, once you click this arrow, all your footage will be here. So scroll down until you find what you want. You can click it and import select. So that is how you'll get your footage. Now you take the file of all these things and you put it in the trash can so you can eject it out. It is now time for the third stage, how to making a career. Now that you've gotten your footage, you've done everything, it's time to edit. So, to edit, we need to learn how clips work. At the start, you have all these clips. You need your first clip and then get your last clip. So, for example, that's a test. So, here we have, just place it. All in order.
That's the only other thing I can think of.
Yeah, that's first step. Now that you have all your footage done, it's time to watch to make sure that, well, it works. So now you want to press space and start watching the entire thing. See if there's anything wrong. Now, one of the final steps, it's time to smooth out. After you've watched over it and see that it's all pretty good, you can, of course, go to titles and put down stuff for titles. Like, for this, I can go to the beginning and put down a title. I could also go to backgrounds, use one of these, or transitions if you want. And not only that, you can also cut things that you don't like by doing split, click, and delete. And you can bring up the sound high and low. Anyways, that's all you really need to know to how to edit. And then you'll have your finished tutorial. Thanks for joining in.